All right, Maxine. I hear you.
That's Minister Grant, Marcus.
Well, do me a favor. Do both of us a favor. The next time you're just stepping out, I need to know before you step out.
I'll definitely advise you before, sir. No problem.
Boyfriend checking up on you?
No, more like father figure.
So, father figure. So no boyfriend?
No, Carlton.
Why not? I mean, a beautiful woman like yourself, I think you'd be off the market.
Thank you, but I've been quite busy with work, so I don't really have time for that right now.
You have time?
Yes, time. Like the clock, the watch, time.
If you say so.
That's exactly what I meant. And you? No girlfriend, no wife, no significant other?
That's a long story. And it's complicated.
I have time to listen to the long story.
Oh, that you have time for? To fasten on my business?
No, Carlton.
Alright, so let me tell you. So I do have a wife. Per se, but
You had a colleague at the Mandible Hospital. She was a fierce rival of yours, I believe. Stephanie, that's it. How is she?
I can guarantee you'll wake up from this.
Tell her hi for me.
Marcus, you are playing with the wrong woman.
Why you do a deep search for me? Stephanie Clark. Want to know which part she work? Where she live? If she leave the island? Or if she deceased?
Hi, sweetheart. All is well? Just to let you know that we are getting closer to that time. We'll talk.
Tonight I'm feeling mean. mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
All right, Maxine.
Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself